Even you can learn Japanese grammar, and that's exactly what we're covering today. How to say even. Hey, what's up? It's Thursday, and that means that it's 3-Minute Thursdays, where I try to teach you an important Japanese grammar point in just 3 minutes. If it's your first time here, my name's Andy. At Tokini Andy, I create and also stream Japanese lessons, as well as share what it's like to actually live in Japan. If that's something you'd be interested in, please consider subscribing. Today's grammar point is the particle demo, not to be confused with the conjunction demo, which we'll cover a little bit later. So let's put 3 minutes on the clock and see what we can do. But first things first, how do you write demo? So the first character is of course de, followed by mo. Demo is often used to mean but or however. For example, in the sentence, sushi ga suki. Demo, ramen tabetai na. So that means, yeah, I like sushi, but, and that's demo, I want to eat ramen. So in this case, it's the conjunction demo, which means but or however. We're not covering that today. I'll do that in another lesson. So please subscribe if you'd like to learn about that eventually someday. Today's demo is the particle demo, which is used to mean even, as in, kodomo demo dekiru. Kodomo demo dekiru. Kodomo is child, of course demo means even, and dekiru means can do it. So even a child can do it. The way you use the particle demo is that you put it directly after a noun. So, watashi demo, even I. You can also have a particle between the noun and demo. So, noun plus particle plus demo, as in, Nagano kara demo. So, even from Nagano. So, you can even take the Shinkansen from Nagano, for example. Nagano kara demo, Shinkansen de ikeru. So, let's cover some examples of how to use demo quick. In our first sentence, アメリカ人でもニュージーランドで働けます. Even Americans can work in New Zealand. The reason I made this sentence is because I actually lived in New Zealand for about a year up until recently. Originally, I went there for just 2 weeks, and then I found out that even Americans can work there. So I ended up working there for a year. And thus we have the sentence アメリカ人でもニュージーランドで働けます. Our next sentence is 日曜日でも行ける. I can even go on Sunday. 日曜日でも行ける. I can even go on Sunday. Our last sentence is actually somewhat of a Japanese cliche, actually. So, that is 猿でもわかる. Even a monkey could understand. 猿でもわかる. Even a monkey could understand. I'm sure you can imagine what kind of situations that this sentence would be used in. Another common usage of the particle demo is in WH words, like no matter who it is, or no matter where it is. An easier way to say that, of course, is anyone, or any place, or anything or any time. So let's go over those really quick. We've got dare demo. So dare is who, and this is anyone. Dare demo dekiru. Anyone can do it. Nan demo dekiru. Can do anything. いつでも行ける can go anytime. どこでも行く I'll go anywhere, for example. どれでもいい どれでもいい No matter which it is, or any of them is okay, right? どれでもいい That's how you use the particle demo. Just attach it to the noun and then say whatever it is you want to say about that noun. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to learn more Japanese, please subscribe. This has been Tokini Andy, and I'll see you next time. Woo-hoo.